Who is this lady? How old is she? Which state does she come from? What's her name? Can anyone try? Where is she from? Try. Give me some guesses. कहाँ की लगती हैं? Anybody? Goa? Maharashtra? North? Is she from Haryana? You sure? You're absolutely sure she's not from Haryana? Anybody? So last guesses. I'm going to give a prize if anybody can guess this. She's from Brazil. She's a Brazilian model. That's a stock photograph. And she is one of 25 lakh such records in Haryana. She votes 22 times in Haryana. And she votes in 10 different booths in Haryana. She's got multiple names. Seema, Sweetie, Saraswati, Rashmi, Vimla. Now what's interesting about this and why I'm opening with this slide, because this happens in 10 booths. That means that this is a centralized operation. That somebody fed this lady into the electoral list at a centralized level, not at the booth level. Just like Anand and just like Mahadevapura. This is proof of a centralized operation. I'm going to show you, if you just scan that, this opens. That's her official page.